Hello students, hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today we will study English grammar and the topic is singular and plural nouns. Noun can be divided into singular and plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. Singular means one and plural means more than one. Here is one book and more than one book. So singular means one and plural means more than one book. Now what is singular noun? Singular noun क्या है? Nouns that names one person, place or thing are called singular noun. Nouns that names one person, only one. Okay, one person, place or thing are called singular noun. For example, girl, book. These are singular nouns. Okay. Now, what is plural noun? What is plural noun? Nouns that name more than one person, place or thing are called plural noun. Nouns that name more than one person, place or thing are called plural nouns. For example, girls, books. More than one girls and here more than one books. So, understand what is plural noun and what is singular noun. Singular means one and plural means more than one. Now, let's see here are some examples. Singular, plural. Singular means one and plural means many. Car, cars. Star, stars. Boy, boys. Book, books. So, here are some singular nouns and these are some plural nouns. So, simply we make singular noun to plural, we add s to make it plural. But there are some rules for changing, the nouns from singular to plural. Singular से plural में change करने के लिए there are some rules. Okay, let's see what are the rules. Add es to singular that end in ch, sh, o, s, double s, x, z to get their plural form. Plural form singular nouns को plural form में change करने के लिए what we have to add es. Okay, जो word ch, sh, o, s, double s, x या z से end हो रहे हैं, then to make these words to plural form, we have to add es. What we will do? We will add es to make it plural. Ostrich, ostriches. Brush, brushes. Mango, mangoes. Bus, buses. Class, classes. Fox, foxes. Quiz, quizzes. Now let's see what are the another rules. Some nouns ending with o followed by a vowel are made plural by adding s. What we have to do? We have to add s. Nouns that end with o, जो end हो रहे o से and before o there is vowel. Look at here in radio before o I is there and in video before o e vowel is there. So to make it plural we have to add s. Radio, radios. Video, videos. Now a few singular nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels. कुछ singular nouns को plural में change करने के लिए what we have to do? We have to change the vowels, inside vowels, जो word में बीच में in between जो vowels हैं उनको change करके हम लोग उनका plural form बनाते हैं. Now look at here, man, man, man. There is a vowel a and it is a singular form. and men, it is a plural form, men, men. So vowel a change हो गया और e plural form में convert करने के लिए what we have to do, we have to change the vowel. Now woman, women, tooth, teeth, foot, feet. Now man means one man, men means more than one. Woman means one woman and women means more than one. Tooth means one and teeth means more than one. Foot means one and feet means more than one. There are some another rules. We will see. The nouns that end in a consonant followed by y change into plural form by removing y and adding ies. The nouns that end in a consonant, consonant से end हो रहे हैं and followed by y. The last letter is y. Last letter उनका क्या है? y है. तो change into plural form. वैसे word को plural form में change करने के लिए what we have to do? Removing y. y को remove करके add ies. Look at here, country. Country में y के पहले क्या है? Consonant है. And countries is plural form. ies. We are adding here ies. Okay. City, cities. Lady, ladies. Copy, copies. Fly, flies. And another rules, the nouns that end in a vowel. Vowel से जो end हो रहा है and the last letter is y followed by y. Change into plural form simply by adding s. वैसे nouns को plural form में change करने के लिए जो y से end हो रहे हैं but before y there is a vowel, उनको plural form में change करने के लिए we have to add s. हमको केवल s add करना है. Okay, now look at here. Toy, toys. Boy, boy, boys. Tray, trays. Key, keys. Now let's see what are the another rules. To form the plural of a noun that ends in f or fe, we replace the f or fe with ves. What we have to do? वैसे nouns जो f और fe से end हो रहे हैं तो f और fe के place में what we have to add? ves. हम लोग क्या ऐड करेंगे? ves. Now look at here. Leaf, f से end हो रहा है. Knife, fe से end हो रहा है. Wife, ending with fe and life ending with fe. So what we have to do? We have to add ves to make it plural. Leaf, leaves. Knife, knives. Wife, wives. Life, lives. In the place of f or fe, we are adding here ves. Okay, clear? Here, a few words do not follow the rules. So there are some words, those do not follow the rules. Rules are not followed in these words. What are the words? Safe. Safe. The singular form is safe and the plural form is safes. The singular form is roof and plural form is roofs. Here we are adding s to make plurals. Only simply adding s. But ऊपर हमने देखा कि f और fe से जो word end हो रहे हैं, fe से और f से जो word end हो रहे हैं, then to make plurals we have to add ves. हम लोग ves add करें in the place of f or fe. But sometimes rules, no rules will be follow. Safe, safes and roof, roofs. Okay. Now let's see what are the another rule. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plurals. कुछ nouns ऐसे होते हैं जो plural form में जाके change नहीं होते हैं. What are these? Sheep, sheep. Hare, hare. Deer, deer. Fish, fish. You have to remember these nouns. Okay. And some plural nouns are irregular and their spelling need to be memorized. कुछ plural nouns ऐसे होते हैं जिनकी spellings memorize करने की ज़रूरत होती है. We have to memorize the spellings. The singular form is child and the plural form is children. Child means one child and children means more than one child. Person, people. Singular form is person and plural form is people. Person means one person and people means more than one person. Mouse, mice. Mouse means one mouse and mice means more than one mouse. Understand? I hope you all have understood singular noun and plural noun. Now we will do the exercise. Here some exercises are given. Exercise A and B. In exercise A, you have to pick out the singular nouns and plural nouns from the given sentences, and you have to write here singular and plural noun. Let's see first sentence. Put your toys in the cupboard. Now here in this sentence, cupboard is singular noun and toys is plural noun. So you have to write in the given space. In the second sentence, the bees live in a hive. So hive is singular and bees is plural. Now how many letters did the postman bring? How many letters? Letters is plural noun and postman is singular noun. So you can do this way the whole sentences. Now let's see exercise B. Read the following nouns. Change the singular noun. Read the following nouns. Change the singular nouns and the plural nouns into singular. Change the singular nouns into plural. Singular nouns को plural में चेंज करोगे एंड प्लूरल नाउन्स को सिंगुलर में चेंज करोगे. यहाँ मिक्स करके दिया हुआ है वर्ड्स. सिंगुलर नाउन्स के भी वर्ड्स हैं और प्लूरल नाउन के भी वर्ड्स हैं. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू चेंज द नाउन्स. सो लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल काउ इज सिंगुलर नाउन. काउ क्या है? सिंगुलर नाउन है एंड यू हैव टू चेंज इट प्लूरल. नाउ लुक एट हियर. रूम्स. रूम्स क्या है? प्लूरल नाउन है. सो you will write here rooms. rooms आप plural के कॉलम में लिखोगे and इसका singular form यहाँ लिखोगे आप room. okay. now child. child is singular. child singular है then you have to write in singular column child और इसका plural form आप लिखोगे यहाँ children. okay, understand? now the next is computer. computer is singular so you have to write computer here. computers plural form क्या हो जाएगा? computers. this way you have to do the exercises. okay students, bye bye.